Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with a lock pin by Big Willy the Locksmith. This one is entitled, let me grab the little thingy here. It says, the Boobie Patch, don't turn 180. And it says, pinned by Big Willy the Boobie Patch. So, now you know what it's called. Now you know what it is. Let's go ahead and open the sucker. So this guy is kind of a stinker, to be honest with you. Kind of a stinker. So it, I did get it once, but I got it with a bad camera, and it didn't zoom like it should have, and it didn't focus like it should have, and it was just all around a piece of shit of a video. So, of course, it had to be the one where I picked it open, but so, but what are you gonna do, right? What are you gonna do? You know, it is so cold outside right now. I can't believe how cold it is. Let's hear how cold it is outside. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Right now in Colville, it's 14 degrees with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has an abundance of clouds and snow flurries, with a high of 22 degrees and a low of 4 degrees.
Sweet, there we go. Got her again. So, as you heard it say, that's 14 degrees Fahrenheit. So, not Celsius. That's not, well, it's pretty damn cold, really. So let's go ahead and open this sucker up, shall we? And there we go, there we go. There's that. Screw it. I'm just going to just plunger it right in there. Ready? Go. Oh boy. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that one. Alright, we'll put a shim in it. A shimmy, shimmy, shake. You know, I know that's what I should do, but I just fail to do it sometimes because I get all hot in the biscuit to get her done. So, let's see here. Let's see what we got up in the core here. Ooh, nice joys. There we go, tiny one. Ooh, a nice T-pin. Another nice little like T-pin type guy. I think most of these are like T-pin type. And they are. And up in the core, let's see here, we have undercut on 1 and 4, and serrations or threading on number 3. Nothing on 2 nor 5. So cool. And let's go ahead and grab my Let's see what we got up in the Bible, shall we? That's interesting. I'm only going to take one spring out because, well, I'll be honest with you, I know all the springs are the same because I just picked it with a different app and it didn't work. So, is this one? Nice serrations on that guy. Serration on that. Oh boy. Oh. I guess we're going to take them all out anyway, after all. So, oops. That's number 5. There's its spring. So I'm kind of screwing up here right now. Ah, damn it. That son of a gun went flying somewhere. I'll find him. And last but not least, we have a spool on 4. So, there's nothing up in the bio. I've already checked that. So, this is K1 Locks. This lock was brought into us by Big Willy the Locksmith, like I said. And let's go ahead and do the super zoom on those pins so you can see what we got. So we got like a nice serration here, T-pin, 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 kind of. Oh, it's just really nice serrations, and a spool right here. So this lock again was pinned by Big Willy the Locksmith. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock. I get up out of bed, get some coffee, go